depending on the time you are watching this video. In our video today, we are going to do revision History and Government KCSE History Paper 1, and we have questions and answers. In our last video, we were dealing with the revision, this same paper from number 1 to number 17. If you want to watch this video, you can watch it in this channel. We request you to watch this video up to the end so that you can benefit from this piece of work. If it is your first time to watch our videos, we request you to click subscribe button down there so that you can become one of our subscribers. Hit subscribe button, like button and bell icon, and we shall be thankful. To our subscribers, we want to thank you guys for supporting this channel. Let us start our work today. That is number 18. Remember, we have said that we dealt with number 1 to number 17 in our previous video, and we have said if you want to see the questions and the answers, you can see them in this channel. Let us read number 18. Give 5 reasons for the migration of Eastern Bantu from Shungwaya during the pre-colonial period. We repeat the question. Give 5 reasons for the migration of the Eastern Bantu from Shungwaya during pre-colonial period. Number 1, due to attacks by Oromo. So these people were attacked by Oromo, and these are Kushite speakers. Number 2, due to increased population. The population was very high, and these people decided to move. Rather than being attacked by Oromo, they were also very many. But you find that in some questions, in some questions, they ask you one main reason why they migrated, why Eastern Bantu migrated from Shungwaya. And if that is the question you are asked, you give this number 1, due to attack by Oromo. Then number 3, due to internal conflict. So there was internal conflict, family-wise and clan-wise, because there were so many. Then we have, they were looking for land for cultivation. Next, they encountered drought and famine. Then next, due to outbreak of diseases and epidemics. And then the last one, due to desire for adventure. These people were adventurous. They wanted to know geographical area close to them, and therefore they decided to move. Now you find that in some questions they can tell you to give the reasons why Bantu migrated from Shungwaya without mentioning Eastern Bantu. They tell you reasons for migration of Bantu, and these reasons listener, we are dealing with the history paper 1, number 18 to number 24. We said in our previous video we dealt with number 1 to number 17. If you want to watch that video, you can watch it here in this channel. We believe that you have subscribed, you have hit the bell icon, subscribe button and like button, and we are thankful for that. Let us move to the next question, which is 18b. Discuss 5 results of migration and settlement of Eastern Bantu into Kenya during the pre-colonial period. Discuss 5 results of migration and settlement of the Eastern Bantu into Kenya during pre-colonial period to get 10 marks. Number 1 of the effect is they displaced some communities which they came into contact with. For example, the Gumba. So they displaced that communities, and Bantu displaced some communities like Gumba. And number 2, it led to population redistribution in the areas where some communities were displaced. So it led to population redistribution. Then we have next, they intermarried with people they came into contact with, such as the Kushites and Nilotes. So they intermarried. These people intermarried. Any community that moved, they found some other communities, and as a result of that, they intermarried. Then we have the settlement led to expansion and development of trade between them and their neighbors. For example, the Agikuyu traded with the Maasai, and that is another impact, another result. They traded. The trade happened between the community that moved and the community that was found. Next, there was cultural exchange between the Bantu and the Cushitic and the Nilote neighbors. So there were cultural exchange. They interchanged their culture. They interchanged. Then we have absorption and assimilation of some communities. Then we have expansion of Bantu led to intercommunity conflict in the wars. So we have the community expansion of Bantu, or the migration of Bantu led to intercommunity conflict and wars. You will find that there was conflict and war because, for one, they are looking for resources. Maybe they are looking for water for the animals, for pasture for the animals, for land to cultivate, and therefore at the end of the day you find that there will be conflict. Remember, people usually fight because of resources. If resources are enough in the world, people could not be fighting, but because resources are scarce, they are very little, they are limited. That's why you find some communities fight each other.